Hey, how's it going, people? It's been a while. Corona got me all out of sync, and I slipped a little bit. So obviously, with a lot of things going on in people's worlds, people's lives, I haven't been able to make any videos. But never fear, I'm back. I've got a new phone to show you, and we have the Nokia 7.2. Came out in May this year. You got a really decent bit of kit on this. It's got a 6.3 inch screen, HDR video, which is pretty nice touch. The Zeiss optics, 48 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide, 20 megapixel front facing camera, which is nice. Dedicated Google Assistant, and the Qualcomm 660. So if you're not aware, this is an Android One device, and that's wicked because you get the fast updates. You've got dedicated security for a while longer. I think it's up to 3 years, which is really good. So just show you what you get in the box. So this phone actually came out in May, and the reason I picked this up was because I was looking at the 7.1 to review, and then this price dropped. So the price dropped by £100, which is pretty cool. So you've got some headphones, which, to be honest, they look pretty trash, but you don't get headphones these days very often, do you? You've got the USB-C charging cable and the brick there as well. You can pick this up direct from Nokia, which is nice, free postage, and obviously you can get it on Amazon as usual, which is pretty standard. So let's whip this out. So I went with the charcoal grey, which is quite nice. Let's just turn her on while we're there. As I said, Android One. Listen to this. I hope you're ready for the new Nokia tones. It's coming. It's not the thinnest of phones. Oh, 3.5mm headphone jack. Nice. That brings back some memories from the retro Nokia days, I'm sure you will agree. So I set this up earlier. So you've got the SIM tray on the side, power button also, and then on the other side you've got the volume up and down and the dedicated Google Assist button. The SIM tray and the Google Assist button are next to each other, and then you've got the power and the volume. So you've got the triple lens on the back, which is pretty cool for such a cheap phone, with the flash. Very similar design to a lot of other phones. It's similar with the circular module, which I do quite like. The circular module, I think that's nice, and I think the quad setup for the 3 cameras and the flash is also nice. You've got on the back fingerprint sensor, which I haven't set up. It's not the thinnest of phones, I will say that. I'm not sure if I expected it to be thinner. It's not outrageously thick, but it's quite square on the back. The rounded sides are nice. It's metal backed, which is a nice touch for a cheap device. And again, as I said, the fingerprint scanner, and then at the bottom you've got the speaker output and the USB-C, and then the microphone port. Now, this is sporting a bit of a chin, as you can see with the Nokia logo down there, but that doesn't put me off. The screen, I have to say, is nice. It's a nice screen, nice display. Let's pop in the code and I'll show you the screen. If you can see that, it's got a nice screen on. So let's just whip out the camera. So as I said, being a Android One phone, you get a decent camera, nice setup. Let's get a picture of the bear as ever. So I will also take, while we're here, a selfie. Don't forget, in the second video, so every phone I do 2 videos. I do an unboxing experience, and then I do a camera review and a sort of overall impressions of the phone. So I will load the photos directly to the second video so you can see them as they come out. So wow, I'm impressed with that camera, really nice. That's, yeah, very, very impressive. You'll be able to see that properly on your screen when I upload the second video, but for now you'll have to take my word for it. And then the selfie camera, I am looking old and tired, but there I am in all my glory. The beard's looking good, the colours on the shirt are picked up well, it's picked up the tattoo nicely as well. That's nice, very, very nice photo. I'm really, really impressed with that. Maybe I might be moving to Nokia after I'm bored of the 7T, who knows. So I think there's not really much else to say, to be honest. Really nice phone, £199 direct from Nokia. That is a bargain for such a phone, in my opinion. I'm really pleased with the overall impressions. I did set the phone up earlier. Smooth, quick experience as ever. The camera is looking really good. Again, I'll show you more about the camera later on. And thank you for watching. Please come back in a couple of days and check out for the actual photos I've just taken so you can see them for yourselves. I'll do a quick video as well, and then we'll all be laughing. Wicked. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.